Hello friends, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in today's tutorial, we are going to see how we can get environment variables in our Java application. So let me show you few environment variables here in my application. So if you go to the system and type for environment variables, you will end up here basically. Okay, these are the different environment variables I have. Okay, and okay, so in our application, we are trying to get those variables. Okay, so the first question is like, what is the use of it? Why I need to get that? Okay, that's the first question before getting into this. Let's say this thing. So I have some client credentials, some user ID and password. And if I have to put in my Java application or some properties file, then I have to commit that. And that means you are exposing some sensitive information which you don't want to. In one of the scenario, for that to achieve, there were a lot of ways. One of the easiest way is put it in environment variables and try to get that. No, that's one of the easiest way. Okay, so let's see how we can get those environment variables. Simply use system dot here get env. No, there were two overloaded methods. First one is going to return me the map of string and string. Second one is will take string as a parameter, returns the string. Okay, so if I go here again, I'm opening way too many times, but that's how it is. Okay, so if I pass a variable here as, let's say, like m2 underscore home, then I will get this corresponding value. If I don't pass, I'm going to get all of them like key value pairs. Okay, so that is the importance of this method. Okay, so let's try to fetch all of them here. No, system dot get environment env. This will return me a map. Okay, so get env variables, let's iterate over them and print onto the console. Okay, so how can I iterate? Simply use string env key in this particular map dot get key set will be there. I think key set, yeah, key set is there. I'm iterating over this particular map. Now let's put some sysort for our understanding. Okay, key env key and corresponding value, let's try to print it like from this map. Based on the key, I'm going to print it. This is one. Cool. Next, let's try to take based on the I have a variable I wanted to print that directly. That is system dot get env property name. Let's say property name as m2 underscore home. Okay, and I have a homework for you. What is that homework is, let's say I have given a wrong property name. What will be the output will be printed? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see who will get that. Now let's run this application. That's all. So I hope you guys can able to see the output now. You could see here all of them will come here. Okay, and the last one as well. Based on the variable name, I'm getting the output. That's all in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.